You are the ambassadors of Bangladesh, all of you, and the Pakistani team. Welcome to the Government House. Sir, yesterday I was watching in Bajaj, and mashallah, you played very well, I must accept. And Bangladesh has come up as a very good team. It's been playing the world, and it's been doing very well for themselves. So I'm really happy to see Bangladesh. I'm of the generation which saw us part, us two brothers parting. So my pain is still there. There are younger generations who don't understand this pain, who don't understand this issue that happened with us. Somehow we managed to break each other's heart. Now the whole emphasis of our government is to mend the heart again. The nation of Bengal, one of the oldest nations in this region, one of the richest nations in this region in the history, and we intend to try and work on it. It's not something that can happen overnight, but definitely we will work on it. We'll keep investing on the Bangladesh people, trying to come up with solutions. We can work together, we can do things together, and obviously I don't need to remind you that Bangladesh is a success story in the world. Everybody knows that, everybody's seen that happening, and I'm grateful to God. Allah has given you all such a strength, mashallah, financially and physically. So we feel that soon you all are going to be on your trajectory to go up as far as exports are concerned, as far as business is concerned, and we'll contribute as much as we can. We will also want to do with Pakistani businessmen, also want to work with you all, work with Bangladesh government. My government is also willing to work with your Bangladeshi government. So, inshallah, I see a good future in our both nations and both countries. But cricket is a sport which brings everybody together throughout the world. So I'm happy to host you all in Pakistan, in Lahore, and I'm hoping that there'll be many trips. We go to Dhaka also. I'd love to come to Dhaka for one. So I haven't seen it for a long time. I haven't been there for a long time. I still have Bengali friends who come to me in Pakistan, and I've kept in touch. They were with me in Pitaro, Cadet College Pitaro, where I went to study, and then they keep in touch with me while coming and going. I remember the three brothers, Mahmood Rahman, Masood Rahman, and youngest was too young for me to remember his name. I know his nickname, which I don't want to say. So anything, Ambassador, anything I can do, whenever, however, wherever, please, all you got to say is call and I'll be available to you. As far as my own team goes, mashallah, you are playing well. Leave politics out, please. For once. Leave the politics to us. People like us who can go to prison for 14 years. You can't. So, Allah is great. Hope both of you teams have a successful careers, all you youngsters have a successful careers. The world is young, you are young, and it's your time. We've seen our time. This is your time. All of you are going to see the future. And I bless you, and I hope that you'll have a eventual good future. So, kamana che, bhalo che. Thank you very much.
लाहौर में सदर आसिफ अली जरदारी की पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश की टीमों के एजाज़ में दिए गए इस्तकबाल में गुफ्तगू। हालिया सीरीज़ में पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम की कारकर्दगी अच्छी रही। आसिफ अली जरदारी ने कहा कि मैं इस नस्ल से ताल्लुक़ रखता हूँ जिसने हमें अलहदा होते देखा। आजकल की नस्ल अलहदगी के दर्द की कैफियत को नहीं जान सकती। साथ साथ कहा गया कि बंगाली कौम ने ख़त्ते के अमीर तरीन कौमों में से एक कौम है। लाहौर में सदर आसिफ अली जरदारी की पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश की टीमों के एजाज़ में दिए गए इस्तकबाल में ये गुफ्तगू की गई।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।